Hey everybody, welcome back to the Wolf Pit with another episode of What Are We Eating? Today, we're going over their 12-ounce Yellowstone Jimmy's Cowboy Chili with Beans meal that costs $5.94. Jimmy's Cowboy Chili with Beans meal is made with slow-cooked seasoned beef with kidney and pinto beans simmered in a tasty blend of chili spices and topped with cheddar cheese, which out of 256 ratings received 4 stars out of 5. Here's the list of ingredients. And again, it looks like the beef is 100% beef, not a form meat slur concoction or has any soy protein products added. And it looks like a combination of ground beef and pulled beef. The serving size is the whole meal, which has 580 calories, 24 grams of total fat, 10 grams of saturated fat, a half a gram of trans fat, 70 milligrams of cholesterol, 1,100 milligrams of sodium, 60 grams of carbohydrates, 8 grams of fiber, 6 grams of sugars, and 30 grams of protein. Here's Jimmy's Cowboy Chili with beans right out of the freezer and right out of the box. And now it goes into the microwave according to the instructions on the box. Here's Jimmy's Cowboy Chili with beans after microwaving on high for a total of 6 minutes and resting for 1 minute. So we give it a good mix. And it looks and smells delicious, hearty, and cheesy. So we got a big old spoonful. And that's a spoonful that looks like it's going to get the party started in your mouth. And then into the old pie hole and down the gullet it went. Jimmy's Cowboy Chili with beans is beefy, it's hearty, it's got great flavor and spice, and it's cheesy. It reminds me a lot of my own chili, which is delicious. However, with the good, there's always, or at least most of the time, something bad. And when I say bad, I don't really mean bad, but just not as good as the rest of the chili. The beans seem to be undercooked and pretty firm to me. But I've noticed that to be very common with beans in different types of canned soups. But that's not the case with just canned beans. Canned beans are normally fine and nice and tender. But if you've ever had Progresso minestrone soup, the kidney beans are notoriously extra firm. Other than that, the minestrone soup is good. But other than the firm beans, Jimmy's Cowboy Chili with beans was very good. I love the combination of the ground beef and the shredded beef, along with the combination of the pinto and kidney beans that went along great with the richness, spiciness, and cheesiness of this chili. And this chili really tasted homemade. It's better than any canned chili that I've ever had, which is why I'm giving Jimmy's Cowboy Chili with beans an 8 out of 10.
Now, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so you can stay tuned
for the fourth and final frozen Yellowstone meal of the Bunkhouse Braised Beef Stew. Thank you all very much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.